Good day, everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce an intelligent solution in the world of facility management, a field that's ripe for innovation. Our project, at its core, is about transforming how facilities are maintained and planned using the cutting-edge capabilities of large language models and multi-agent systems. Facility maintenance is complex and critical, but faces challenges in productivity and efficiency. We deal with inefficient maintenance requests due to manual processes, resource allocation issues, technicians' knowledge access problems, and limited real-time data for facility managers. Our solution introduces a suite of AI-powered bots designed to revolutionize facility maintenance. First, we have the Requester's Helper bot, which simplifies maintenance requests, prevents duplicates, and speeds up problem resolution. Then, there's the Work Order Planner bot for facility managers, automating assignments and providing valuable insights effortlessly. And lastly, the Technician's Helper bot assists technicians with assignments and troubleshooting in a conversational manner. In essence, our project seamlessly connects requesters, managers, and technicians through AI-powered conversational agents, promising more efficient facility maintenance from start to finish. We're excited to bring this innovation into the heart of your business process. The Maintenance Tracker, an AI assistant that aims to streamline facility maintenance management. Through natural language understanding, Maintenance Tracker provides solutions tailored to three key user groups: the requesters, facility managers, and technicians. For requesters, it acts as a helper bot that automates ticket logging. You can simply tell it about an asset that needs repairs in plain English. The bot will check existing records to avoid duplicates and file a new ticket if it's a fresh issue. As a facility manager, you can leverage the Work Order Planner bot for smarter resource allocation. When assigning technicians, it suggests optimal matches based on skills and current workloads. It also enables you to analyze historical trends through conversational queries about metrics like ticket resolution times. Finally, for technicians, it delivers quick access to documentation required during repairs via chat, along with notifications about newly assigned tickets. In essence, Maintenance Tracker aims to smoothen coordination between all stakeholders through AI assistance. Technicians can focus on repairs rather than manual tracking. Facility managers have enhanced oversight on work orders, and requesters have a simple way to report issues. In our streamlined process, the requester submits asset maintenance issues, either in text or accompanied by an image. These submissions are then captured by a proxy agent and shared with the help desk agent. The help desk agent extracts asset details and checks their presence in the asset database. If the asset is found, they determine whether a recent work order exists, and if not, they create a new one. If there is an existing work order, the requester is promptly notified about its status. Throughout this process, all communications and outcomes are efficiently relayed to the requester. For the Facility Manager chatbot, we streamline inquiries into two key areas: historical and current work orders, as well as newly created work orders and their technician assignments. The process begins with the help desk agent extracting request details and forwarding them to the planner agent. The planner agent then formulates insights extraction queries and checks for newly created work orders. If there are none, the help desk informs the facility manager accordingly. If there are new work orders, the planner agent assesses technician availability based on skills and workload and updates the work order system with confirmed assignments. Ultimately, the help desk agent communicates all outcomes to the facility manager. In our future plans, we aim to improve our service delivery by consolidating help desk and planner agents from 3 different bots into a unified, intelligent system. This will enhance user experiences and issue request workflows. We're also considering integrating this unified system into our internal work order system to further streamline our processes. Additionally, we have plans to integrate AutoGen with Databricks' advanced language models, which requires extensive refinement and automation. As we wrap up our presentation, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this hackathon such a success: our mentors, judges, organizers, and our incredible team. Goodbye and until next time.